Ever spent a summer afternoon swatting away at those pesky grasshoppers? Their rhythmic chirp a constant companion? Well, what if I told you those carefree days of childhood might be a thing of the past? That's right, grasshopper numbers have been declining across the globe, and scientists are scrambling to understand why. Now, before you panic and imagine a world devoid of these bouncing bugs, let's dig a little deeper. Grasshoppers are incredibly diverse, with over 11,000 known species. They're fundamental to healthy ecosystems, playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling and as a food source for countless birds, reptiles, and mammals. So, a decline in their numbers could have serious consequences up the food chain. So, the big question is, are grasshopper numbers really declining? The answer, unfortunately, is a complex one. There's no single answer that applies to every grasshopper species everywhere. But here's what we do know. Patchy evidence. Studies from various regions paint an inconsistent picture. Some report significant declines, while others show stable or even increasing populations. This highlights the need for more comprehensive data collection. Habitat loss. This is a major threat to many insect species, and grasshoppers are no exception. The conversion of grasslands into agricultural land or urban sprawl destroys their homes and disrupts their breeding grounds. Pesticides and herbicides. These chemicals, used extensively in modern agriculture, can be devastating to insect populations. Even low-level exposure can harm grasshopper growth, reproduction, and overall health. Climate change. Rising temperatures and altered weather patterns can disrupt grasshopper life cycles. For example, extreme heat waves can lead to egg mortality, while droughts can limit food availability. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species can disrupt ecosystems and outcompete native grasshoppers for resources. These factors, often acting in combination, are likely contributing to grasshopper declines in some areas. However, it's important to remember that grasshopper populations naturally fluctuate. They can experience boom and bust cycles depending on environmental conditions. So, a single year of low numbers might not necessarily indicate a long-term decline. But here's the thing. Even if some grasshopper populations are stable, the overall trend is concerning. The widespread threats they face could lead to more significant declines in the future. This is why scientists are calling for more research to understand the specific factors impacting different grasshopper species and to develop conservation strategies. So what can we do? Here are a few ideas. Support sustainable agriculture. Practices that minimize pesticide use and promote habitat restoration can benefit not just grasshoppers, but the entire ecosystem. Protect grasslands. Conservation efforts that safeguard these vital habitats are crucial for grasshopper survival. Citizen science. Everyday people can contribute valuable data by participating in grasshopper monitoring programs. By taking action, we can ensure that the rhythmic chirp of the grasshopper remains a familiar sound in our summers for generations to come. Remember, even small insects like grasshoppers play a big role in the health of our planet. Let's work together to protect them and ensure a future where these fascinating creatures continue to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.